I'm Alyssa. Welcome to Emily and Alyssa Farms. Hope you tag along.
And this is our milk crate. That holds all of our milk from each shift. Now let's go check out the milk house. Cows on each side. Before you can put the numbers on, you have to wash them. Second is rinse. Then after the teeth have been rinsed, they dry. This is lot 1, which are fresh cows that just had their babies. Or here is lot 2, but this is low production cows. This is lot 3, which is our sick or injured cows. First lactation high producers, and this is lot 4. This is lot 5, and these are our low producing cows. Now this side is our pregnant cows. These cows down here are 30 days and below, and this side is 10 days and below to calving. This is our 10-day and less cows that are about to calve, and here are some calves that they've already just had. This is the dry cows, which are 60 days and less to calving. This is the heifer shed. This side are cows that are about to get bred, and these cows just got bred. This is a grower shed, which are calves that just finished eating grain, finished drinking milk.
My name is Lydia Reed and I work here at Riegel Dairy. I have been here for 7 years and I am the calf manager.
What is the least favorite part of your day?
Some days get a little hectic and a lot of things go wrong, and that can get very frustrating.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is whenever we do have a really good busy day and we get a lot of things done. At the end of the day it feels very rewarding.
Okay, what does a normal work day look like?
My days can be a little hectic and they can be all over the place, but we spend a lot of time cleaning out pens, working on the schedule, tagging calves, dehorning, vaccinating, moving calves around, really whatever it takes to get everything done around here.
Oh, hey again, I'm Emily.
And I'm Alyssa.
Thank you so much for joining us on part 1 of the day in life at Riegel Dairy.
But don't worry, we're not done yet. Next week we're diving into the world of calves, from bottle feeding to all the chaos and a little bit of cuteness.
Can't wait to see you next time.